I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach, and today we're on the Grady-White 336. This is a brand new boat here in Jacksonville Beach, Florida. So if you'd like to see this boat, give me a call on my cell phone, 904-625-6146. Just going to go over a few of the highlights of this boat, but be glad to give you a full tour of it if you get here. One of the really nice things about the 336 is this refrigerated fish box that's in the back of the boat. So you can set the thermostat on this. If you want it as a freezer, you can freeze fish, clean them up, throw them right in there, freeze them, or you can just set it at refrigeration. No need to carry 20-30 bags of ice with you on board. This one's set up with the trip engines on it. Those are of course going to be controlled with the joystick piloting on here as well. Hot and cold water shower on the starboard as you enter this huge, thick transom door, 2 inches thick fiberglass, overbuilt handle on there. Everything that you see on the Grady is really overbuilt. You got a nice big dive door, tuna door, whatever you want to call it, on the port side of this boat. 2 large live wells, shotgun rod holders, quite a bit of those. And if you look down the gunnels, there's plenty of rod holders down the gunnel of this boat as well. So there's no shortage of rod holders on this boat. The 2 big live wells, you've got a place to put your fillet knives, pliers, hang some lures. You've got tackle storage down below, cutting board right there. This is something that I really like about the 336 is and that you've got comfortably 3 people sitting up here at the helm behind the windshield. You're getting protection from the elements. This particular one, we actually have the air conditioning here at the helm and air conditioning down inside the console as well. Again, this has got the joystick piloting with it. Plenty of room on the dash for your multifunction displays. A electronics box up top. You can put your VHF radio up there, just a good place to throw your hat, throw your wallet, that kind of stuff. But again, the AC vents on here. That's a game changer. 95 degrees outside. Put those 2 AC vents blowing on you, and it really helps you out. It will help extend your day. I want you to take note of how high the gunnels are on this boat. I'm 6'3". This is coming high up on my thighs, so it's really deep here on the inside. You've got a big fish on. You've got plenty of leverage to lean on the side here and bring those fish into the boat. Pop-up cleats all the way around. Just a quick peek here. This is an air-conditioned center console. So you've got a shower down in there, a head, there's a bed. That's not something that you don't see in a lot of the 33 center consoles. That's a big difference between us and a lot of the other 32 to 34 foot center consoles. We move up to the front. You've got an option of this being a sun pad up here in the front, so there's cushions that can go here. But if you're just fishing or if you're throwing a cast net, look at all the walk around room that I've got up here to comfortably throw a cast net off the bow of this boat. Again, more rod holders up here, drink holders in the bow. Your windlass is tucked away under a nice anchor locker up here in the front with foot switches to control your windlass right here. If you want to see some more details on this boat, come to MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. I'm Grant. Call me on my cell phone, 904-625-6146.